Okay, so today we're going to go over the direct object cheat sheet. So you're like, oh my God, what's a direct object? Grammar is hard. But it is actually super, super easy stuff. So direct objects are when we replace nouns, which are things or people, with it or them, him or her. So instead of saying, I like apples, we can say, I like them. So this is normally used when you're replying to a question. So if someone is like, hey, do you like Brad Pitt? Instead of saying, yes, I like Brad Pitt, you say, yes, I like him. So normally when you reply to a question, you replace that noun with it, them, him, or her. So that's what we're going to practice using today. So in French, it is super easy. So let's look at this example. Je préfère le chou. I prefer cabbage. So cabbage is the noun that we can replace. And if it's look, le is a masculine noun, we replace that entire le chou with le, and then we put it before the verb. I'm just going to highlight that so you can see it easier. So now, instead of je préfère le chou, we have je le préfère. I prefer it. Je mange la banane. La banane is the noun that we can replace. It is a feminine item, so we replace all of la banane with la, and then we put it before the verb. So instead of I eat banana, it's I eat it. If it's a plural item, like j'adore les haricots, I love beans, we can replace all of les haricots with les. And now our new sentence is je les adore. I adore them. And then if you're replacing any of these le or la before a vowel, then it becomes L apostrophe, just because we don't like those vowels next to each other, right? Okay, so what's our first step? We're going to identify the word that we can replace by a direct object pronoun. Then we're going to determine which direct object pronoun can we use. Do we replace it with le, la, le, or L apostrophe? Then we rewrite the sentence, and that direct object pronoun goes before the verb. So we're going to do a couple of these together, and then I'll let you finish on your own. So nous mangeons les escargots. We eat snails. So what part of that is the noun that we can replace? We can replace les escargots. So we're going to underline that. And then right here in blue, we're going to get rid of that. So we can now have nous. So are we going to replace les escargots with le, la, les, or L apostrophe? So we have a plural word here, les escargots. So we are going to replace it with les, and then we put that les before the verb mangeons. So now our new sentence is nous les mangeons. We eat them. Let's do one more together. So in the same sentence in negative, we do not eat escargot. Guess what? We can still replace all of escargot with les. Escargot is still plural, except now it still goes before the verb, and we just have that no and that pause still around there. Only difference. All right, so finish up these last few, and then we will work together.